you making tea?
I am making tea, yes. What are you doing?
Well, I need to store our vegetables.
Okay.
Got a lot of vegetables to store. Need a proper storing. Hello everyone! What we're gonna do today is to store the vegetables, the leafy vegetable that we have, that we are buying from the shop, or our own produce. Because for me, I have vegetables that harvesting in my garden, like spinach, mustasa, mustard, or pechay, and any green leafy vegetable that I've been growing. I'm harvesting them all at the same time, or sometimes every other day, and sometimes I have to harvest it because it's getting mature. I don't want it really mature because ang tawag doon, maganit o hindi na malasa. Kaya papakita ko sa inyo, I will show you how I store my vegetables, my green leafy vegetables, especially ngayon. Hindi kami masyadong lumalabas because of the lockdown. We can't go out all the time. And we have to store our food properly. And also, the shop, the Asian shop, sometimes don't have the stock all the time. What I'm going to do is to wash all my vegetables first before I put in the fridge. And then, it will be safe. It's not going to be watery kasi I will store it properly. If you have containers or any plastic, you can use kitchen towel, tissue, or any cloth that you can wrap it and preserve the freshness of our own produce or the vegetables, green leafy vegetable that we are buying into the shop. Now I will show you, I'll wash them and I will show you how I store them. For my nilaga. Look at this. Oh, that's it. Look at that. It's a good harvest. Right, this is our harvest. Spinach and the pechay. That's a lot to harvest. Look at that. Nice. Let's go and let's wash it. This is our peach new shoot that I've been harvesting in the garden. Because I don't want it to be mature, I like it fresh and just small like this, really crunchy. You can put this in your salad or in your soup, or any stir fry is good, or steam, very good. Now, I'm not going to cook this yet. I'm going to store it properly so I can have it maybe tomorrow or the next day. Ngayon, hugasan na natin. We need to clean them properly. And then I have this strainer here so we can remove the excess water after washing these vegetables. So, madali na naman maghugas, diba? So, it's ready and clean na when you take this out from your fridge. I'm gonna use this. So, yung mga green leafy vegetables that you're buying, you know there's like a moist inside it. Remove from the package, from the plastic. It's no good because if you store it in the fridge 1 day or 2, it's going to be watery. Yan. Then we are just going to this one, i-drain mo lang. So I'll do this a couple of times. Malinis naman ang tubig. And then we're just gonna drain it. Right, so as you can see, diba, yung tubig, lumalabas. You can do this 1 or 2 times or 3 times. If you saw na, oh, yan. So, may tubig pa siya. Oh, di ba? May water pa, oh. So, we drain that. Just throw it away. And then, again, kasi may mga water pa siya dyan. Yan, cover ulit natin. Tingnan natin. Yan. Oh. Yan, konti na lang. Wala na. Kasi, it drain na doon. So, let's store it. Oh my word, there's a lot. And, ganyan. Yummy. Oh, sarap sa sinigang. Yeah, we are going to store it now. We can remove this here. For storing, we can use plastic. If you don't have Tupperware or container like this, you can use a plastic. And of course, the kitchen towel. So what we're going to do here, I will show you how we're going to store it in a plastic and in this container. So just maybe 3 of this. Lagay mo lang siya dyan. Spread mo lang. O, diba? Ang dami. Plenty. Ganyan talaga. If you harvest your own produce, free. It's just your labor, you know. And you know it's organic and it's really healthy and fresh. Right, what we're gonna do is just gonna roll it. Just like that. So the tissue will absorb the water that will drain down to here. We just store it here. Yeah, just like that. Oh. See? And it will be safe na. Hindi na siya magiging very watery because there is a tissue. Ito naman yung ating pechay. We have pechay here. Yeah. A 3 tissue. Very easy to store. Diba? Look at that. Fresh. Yeah. Roll it so it will drain all the water from in there. So it's still fresh. You just put it like that. Oh, very easy. And cover it again. Last one, our spinach. That's how I do it. Oh. Diba? You just roll it. If you don't have like tissue like this, you can just use the kitchen towel, you know, the cloth. Like your cloth, like kitchen towel like this. It's okay. As long as it's clean. And then cover it. So the tissue or the kitchen towel tissue will absorb all this water inside this. And it's safe, nice, and to store. Oh, see? It will stock for a week or more than a week. Or if you want, you can just blanch this. Easy to blanch, you know. Now we're going to store it. That's easy, isn't it? Very easy. And then you have nothing to worry that you will have to use it straight away. Slack down. What we're going to do? We have to store it properly. So we have green leafy vegetables. Last long. If you don't have any available containers like this, I'm going to show you the other method that I am using as well. Now we have tissue here again. And then we'll put this salad. This is pea shoot. You can eat this as salad or put in your soup or stir fry. Yes, same procedure. You're just gonna fold it like that. O, diba? Water, so the tissue will absorb the water. It's up to you. You can just roll it just like that. But for me, I just tie it just like that. O yan, done. See, simple, very easy, ready to store. This is quite a lot, but when you cook it, it's not gonna be that many. It's gonna be gone soggy. And then roll it, fold it. Yeah, you got plastic bag here and stuff it. You can just tie it or not, it's up to you. That's it. Three bags of vegetables, safe to eat again tomorrow and the next day. Got all the vegetables ready. And our vegetable here, these three in a plastic, we'll put in the fridge as well. So you have two choices. If you don't have big container like this, any plastic that you can put all your vegetable in, or plastic bag, no problem, diba? So marami ka ma-store, marami ka rin, may spread mo rin yung paggamit ng vegetables mo. You don't need to eat it at once because it's plenty. So, kung di ka naman mapurga, mapupurga ka. Diyos ko. Kami nga ito si Isti purga na yata sa kakakain ng vegetables. Pero okay lang yung organic naman, fresh, di ba? Para ma-practice siya kumain ng gulay. Hindi kasi siya kumakain ng gulay. Right, so that's how you are going to store it. So, let's put this as well into the fridge. Let's open. We'll see if I have space. Meron naman. Meron naman. Yan. Kung meron kayong space dyan sa taas, pwede na. Kung wala naman, di ba? Kung wala kayong space, if you don't have space to store it there, you have this in a plastic bag. Oh. See? Save kayo ng space. Ayan, ganyan siya. Oh. So you will save the space just like this in the plastic bag. You can store it. Look at my tomato. Just store it there. I washed already. Put in a tissue so the water, any water that's moist there, it will absorb. And then also you look. I slice my butter. So in 1 cube, you can just get 1 or 2 cube. So you don't need to slice all the time whenever you cook. And if you have this container here, like, put all your tomatoes. Just do it like that. Yeah. So that's how we store our vegetables, leafy vegetables, so you don't waste it. And it will last long. Please do it as well. So all your vegetables that you're doing shopping, because you can't go out all the time, you need to store them properly. And we'll have it for long. Let's close it now. School, lumalabas na ang lamig. Yan. They're safe. I like my, look. Lexberg gave me this. And it's been flowering every year. Like, it will last 6 months, you know. And he gave me another one, like blue. I'll show you the blue. There's one here as well. He gave me these orchids. Oh my god, I don't know if it is real blue. This is my gift from Mother's Day. Look at that. It's sweet, isn't it? At least naaalala niyo ako. You remember Mother's Day. Walang talaga nag-iisa niyang ina. Pero ayoko nang amoy niya. Wala naman siyang amoy. At saka baka meron pa yung pollen eh. Ang hay fever ko maggrabe pa. So that's how I store my vegetables in the fridge so it will last long. All my produce from the garden. And hope you do the same. Yun lang ang mga advice ko sa inyo. If you want to store your food for longer. But for now, we're gonna end this video. If you're not subscribed yet, guys, please subscribe and hit like. Thank you for watching. See you on the next time. Bye! I like this really blue.
Thank you very much for watching Manila London. We now have a merch store with quite a lot on offer. Take a look at our Teespring from our channel page. Or you can hit a like, a subscribe or one of these tiles and stay with Manila London that little bit longer. Thank you for watching.